I'm done with this Logic B100. It doesn't even work. Completely useless. Arg. Anyways, what else can I use? Oh. Instead of using the Logic B100, I guess I'll use this big thing. So, yeah. I got this Corsair Scimitar. I think it cost like 60, 70, 80. I don't know how much dollars US. So, and well, yeah. We'll make an unboxing and review of this thing. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and that's it. So the system requirements are a PC USB port, I'm pretty sure I have that. Windows 10, 8, or 7, I have Windows 10, it's fine. And internet connection, so you have to download a Corsair utility engine software. I don't know what's that, but so I'll have to download that, unless I already have it downloaded, I'm not sure. So then, and well, let's just start with the unboxing. So, oh, they got a nice flap, and it comes in a mouse. And it's also like a little slanted, which is very cool. So they come with the mouse itself, obviously, and then the instructions, like it said. Now it's actually it's got like this magnet thing here, like the flap. It's very cool, and the box itself already is like it's like glossy. I don't know what the word is. Very cool, the box. Nice unboxing experience almost. So now to take this thing out. Let's just take it off. Oh, this is an Allen wrench. I think that so it comes with a little. Is it Allen wrench? No, it's some sort of this thing. Who knows? I think I know what it does. Anyway, so let's take out this mouse. Oh boy, that's nice. I've never actually touched it, so I think that see this thing here, you can actually slide and move it using this little. What do they even call it? I'll call it the small screwdriver maybe. Who knows? I'll just call it a small screwdriver. And so I think yeah, right here, so like right there, you got to take it out. Which way do I have to turn it? Oh yeah, this way. So if I unscrew it a bit, let's see. Oh yeah, now I can move it. Well, that's cool. So they can move it to wherever I want it to be. That'd be extremely helpful. So let's say I want it to be here. Yeah, I'll have it like that. And then I just gotta screw it back in. Actually, I want there, yeah. Yeah, now it doesn't move. Whoa, that's extremely cool. Okay, guys, so we've got it out. So we've already got this mouse out of the box. And well, we also looked at the Allen wrench, or the Allen wrench, screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. So now let's actually look at the product itself. So obviously I've plugged it in here, so you can see the RGB. And so you see this red color here. You can change the color with this bottom button here. And then what these colors mean is so let's say for red, I think the default is like a 800 dpi. The white one, it goes like maybe like 1,000, 1,300, something like that. I forgot. These start getting higher and higher, and then you can get to like 10,000 dpi. See what these colors mean. Well, yeah, so that's pretty cool. There's plenty of RGB here, as you can see. The RGB, well, like here, there's RGB on the mouse. Usually there's RGB, but currently there's not. But there can be RGB. If I go to the Corsair IQ software, you can change it. And also in the front here, there's like the mouse. And well, I think it's still part of the mouse, but yeah, there's RGB there. So it's obviously a very cool mouse. As you can see, there's 12 buttons. I think this is like metal, the yellow part. And the size here, I'll just take a ruler. It's about 11 centimeters or inches. It's gonna be around let's say 4.5 maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not good at rulers. Although the plastic, this is like plastic of some sort, and it's not grease proof, so it's like it can become quite greasy, but all you have to do is simply clean it. And here is well, it's textured. which is, well, cool. And if you hold it from an angle, it looks, I don't know, bumpy, which is, I don't know, just something I noticed. Like, and the bottom doesn't look like a normal mouse. Maybe it's just me, but I like the size. Clearly this mouse was made for palm grippers. And so overall this mouse is obviously very good. But I think there's one problem with the mouse. Not with the mouse itself, but the software. The software for this thing can be confusing at times. Now obviously I'm not going to do a tutorial on it on this video. I mean, I could make one maybe. Subscribe and like if you want me to. But so far okay. Yeah, I'll just show you the software for it. So this is the Corsair IQ software, and well, as you can see here is the Scimitar Pro RGB, the Corsair mouse. And I personally find the software confusing. I mean, like, I've seen some other videos that did this video, and lots of people in the comments said that their Corsair Scimitar wasn't working, like the buttons on the side wouldn't work. And my guess is because they didn't know that they pressed the button that was right under this button right here, as if you see my mouse. But they didn't know they pressed it, so then they would change the onboard profile without knowing it. But since they didn't know that you could do that, they thought it was the mouse itself that stopped working. So if Corsair made it much more understandable, people probably would stop thinking that the product sucked. Well, this with the fact that it was actually supposed to be a positive thing, not negative. So, well, I guess it can be it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. It might have not been very helpful, but hopefully you liked it. And, well, yeah, have a good day. Bye.